Yo, what's up?
Take it upstairs.
Yo, what's up,
If
guys?
you don't want it, take it upstairs.
Weird. So, yo, what's up, guys?
Hey! Take it upstairs.
Weird. Yo, what's up, guys? Push Barrier here, and we got Frozen Car Part 2. We're gonna break the ice, review the car. It's hitting under here, and I don't know where the other car is. It was probably on display. Let's review the car in 3, 2, 1. Jeez, the ice is hard. I think we need a better hammer. You don't need that anymore. Alright. Open the ice and then reveal the car, which is frozen, apparently. Looks like we need some more. Looks like we need the little hammer to break off the ice off the car. Alright, we got the car on display. Let's break all the rest of this ice. I think we need the big hammer, but we'll save this ice piece for the little hammer. Okay, that was just weird. We need the big hammer for the ice. Alright, I think that's it. Bye, guys.